Hello, I'm Gavin and this is Hellhound Leather. Lately we've had some questions about our lever rifle leather wrap kits. They come like this. We've got the leather and a spool wrapped with sinew that is pre-attached to the needles to make it a little bit easier. Every once in a while the sinew comes off of the needle. This stuff here frays a little bit. There's a bunch of separate strings, a whole bunch of little threads just all attached together, and then they're waxed, and sometimes they separate. And so what you want to do is just slick that all back down. It should stick together. So as I mentioned, it's all waxed. And you take your needle, run the sinew through the eye of the needle, hold on to that, run your needle down the long end of the sinew, and just poke it through the center. Right there. And slide the long end down towards the short end. And then pull them together. And that'll come down over the end. You want to slick those together and stick them down. And that's all there is to it.